Hi, let's look at how to fix a new wiper in the car. First, buy a cheap wiper from Walmart, and the next thing is you have to get the wiper to this position.
Turn off the key when the wiper is in vertical position. It's just a lock which holds the wiper in here. Just have to press it and pull the wiper out. And put the new wiper in. Do the same thing for the other wiper as well. Just press it, open it, and put the new wiper in. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this one has helped you to change your wiper. Stay safe. Thank you and bye-bye.